This Auburn home is already pending, but that doesn't mean you've missed your chance. We're still accepting backup offers. And here's why 4317 Oak Drive Live is worth keeping on your radar. Located in South Auburn, this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home offers approximately 1,907 square feet, a 0.4-acre lot, and a floor plan designed with flexibility in mind. Let's take a closer look at what makes this property stand out. Built in 2007, 4317 Live Oak Drive is located in the Timberwood subdivision, just off South College Street. The property sits on a generous lot with a 2-car garage and plenty of outdoor space, features that add both functionality and flexibility to the property. And there's no HOA fee, which is another detail worth knowing when evaluating the overall cost of ownership. Inside, the main level offers an easy flow layout with the living room, dining area, kitchen, primary suite, and laundry room, all located downstairs. That gives the home a practical main level living arrangement, while still providing substantial additional space upstairs. The kitchen combines style and functionality with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Its connection to the main living areas creates a natural space for everyday meals, cooking, and entertainment. The primary bedroom is located on the main level and features its own private bathroom. But one of the most distinctive features of this home is that all 3 bedrooms have private bathrooms. That's a floor plan feature that provides a great deal of flexibility in how the bedrooms and living spaces can be used. Upstairs, you'll find 2 oversized bedrooms, and each one has its own private bathroom. That means every bedroom in the home has direct access to a bathroom, a feature that's not always easy to find in a 3-bedroom property. And then there's the large upstairs loft. This additional space can adapt to whatever makes sense for the new owner: a second living area, home office, media room, game room, workout space, or another flexible gathering area. It's a great example of how the home offers more usable space beyond the traditional bedroom and living room layout. Outside, the property continues to deliver. The 0.4-acre lot provides a generous amount of outdoor space, including a large fenced portion of the backyard. There's a covered porch and concrete pad, creating space for outdoor seating, entertaining, gardening, or simply enjoying the backyard. And because the lot extends beyond the fenced area, there's additional property to work with beyond the primary backyard space. The property also includes a 2-car garage, providing covered parking as well as additional storage potential. Taken together, the garage, large lot, fenced backyard, covered porch, and additional outdoor space give this property a strong indoor-outdoor connection. There are also 2 significant recent updates to highlight. The roof was replaced in 2022, and the downstairs HVAC system was replaced in 2024. Those updates to major home systems are important considerations when evaluating a property. As always, buyers should conduct their own inspections and due diligence. Now, let's talk about the location. 4317 Live Oak Drive is in South Auburn, just off South College Street with convenient access to Interstate 85. That makes it easy to travel throughout the Auburn and Opelika area. Auburn University is approximately 10 minutes away, while the South College corridor provides nearby shopping, restaurants, groceries, and everyday services. There are several convenient shopping options nearby, including Walmart, and other grocery and retail choices along the South College corridor. For recreation, Town Creek Park and Chewacla State Park are within easy reach, along with other parks and recreational destinations throughout the area. The property is also located near employment and institutional destinations, such as Auburn Research Park and Auburn Technology Park North. The property is listed at $300,000, which works out to approximately $157 per square foot. And here's the important part. 4317 Live Oak Drive is currently pending, but we are accepting backup offers. So, if you were interested in this property, don't assume the opportunity is completely gone. With its South Auburn location, generous lot, flexible 3-bedroom layout, private bathrooms for each bedroom, large loft, 2-car garage, and recent major updates. 4317. Live Oak Drive is a property worth keeping on your radar. If you'd like more information about the property or submitting a backup offer, contact me at 33466 30077.